welcome back. So we had a few more clouds, made our way through the day today. That once again is the beginning of a weather pattern change that is off to our north and off to our west. Still, we did remain with a good amount of sunshine and those high temperatures reaching 100 degrees in North Platte, still staying mainly dry across most of our viewing area. Here's a look at the high temperatures today. There's your 100 not only at North Platte, but at Imperial and at Broken Bow, and a 102 at Lexington. But high temperatures up toward Valentine at 93 and a 98 out toward Ogallala. And now temperatures outside look like this. We are staying mild into the upper 70s at North Platte, Imperial, near 80 at Lexington and Thedford, 71 right now at Broken Bow, and 73 at Valentine, with the winds flipping around from a southeasterly direction. And when you get off to the north and off to the west of North Platte, they're more northerly or northeasterly. So a little bit of moisture up in that direction because of the easterly wind and cooler air trying to filter in with that northerly flow. Wind speeds across the region mainly between 10 and 15 miles per hour. Now, as for the satellite loop, we are still mainly clear across most of our viewing area, including the I-80 corridor points off to the south. But if you look off to the north, you do see some showers and thunderstorms. Some of them were strong to severe across portions of Cherry County. Valentine did get some shower activity. That's moving off to the east, and the rest of it is in portions of rural western Cherry County, missing Hyannis and Mullins. So that's where most of the moisture is as of right now. We also have some showers across the Panhandle as this cold front finally makes it across our forecast area, and that's very strong southerly flow that is giving us extreme heat. That's working its way off to the east, and it's replaced by a cool pool of air, and the frontal boundaries are going to give us more moisture as we go between now and the day on Saturday. So that'll just set right up over us, cool air filtering in with more of a northerly wind. Lots of cloud cover the next couple of days with those moisture chances all the way until around Saturday afternoon, and then they should start to dissipate. But right behind it, you can already see that warm southerly flow trying to work its way back in as a warm front as we go through the end of the weekend and into next week. We're back to a dry weather pattern. So any of the showers and thunderstorms into our northern counties might stick around into the early overnight. We think it's going to be mainly dry, basically from the central portion of our viewing area to the southern portion. Now, for the day tomorrow, partly cloudy skies in the morning, mostly cloudy skies by the afternoon, and some scattered showers around, maybe a rumble of thunder. Don't expect severe weather, but that's the rest of that frontal boundary making its way through, flipping the wind back around to a northerly direction, and high temperatures in the low to mid 80s under the clouds and with the rain. For the day on Saturday, some remnant showers are possible, especially in the morning with mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures starting off in the lower 60s, and highs will be into the upper 70s to near 80. Now, as we make our way through the start of the weekend, gone is the warm air that we've had for the last week and a half. That jet stream is over us, so there's the storm track with more moisture chances and that cool pool of air that is going to be giving us temperatures in the 70s and 80s as we start and then go through most of the weekend. So what does happen is the extreme heat and all that sunshine moves off to the east. For us, we will have the moisture chances, and cool air does work its way in very briefly because this weather pattern doesn't last very long. We're back to sunshine and warmer air to start next week. So after a high of only 75 with that storm chance on Saturday, we're back up to 81 on Sunday, 83 Monday, and sunny Tuesday, a high of 85. Then lower 90s with sunny to mostly sunny skies, maybe a little breezy Wednesday going into Thursday. Kent?
Well, certainly is going to feel good tomorrow to see those cooler temperatures and maybe some rain.
Yep, rain will cool us off pretty nicely, and Saturday, relatively cool day for this time of year.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. Good news for folks heading to the state fair this year, especially if you're going on a hot day. More shade is being added to the fair, almost twice as much as before. More seating has also been added to give fairgoers a place to sit when taking a break.